Fixation of an olecranon fracture with the Medartis APTUS elbow 2.8 dorsal olecranon plates by Dr. Raul Barco, Spain, and Dr. Konrad, Germany. Anatomical landmarks and approach. We first start with marking out the ulnar nerve. Here is the olecranon. The dorsal olecranon system consists of 3 different plate types depending on the fracture of the olecranon. The standard, medium and extended. Each type is available in different lengths. In this case, we will go with the extended version. The incision should not run over the olecranon. The incision line should be slightly curved. Cut through the incision line and expose the soft tissue. Expose the tissue around the ulnar nerve to ensure visibility and thus prevent injury. Here you can see the extended plate. A longitudinal incision is made in the triceps so that the end of the plate can be attached directly to the olecranon. The triceps split is, usually, required for the medium and extended plate. The end of the plate should be placed under the soft tissue. Bending of the plate. To bend the proximal ulnar dorsal angle, slide the plate through the corresponding slot. While bending, the plate must always be held at 2 adjacent holes to prevent contour deformation of the intermediate plate hole. Do not bend the plate by more than 30 degrees. To bend the varus angle, use the opposite side of the bending irons. To increase the varus angle, ensure that both tips of the bending irons point outward. Use both hands to adjust the angle to your desired position. Prefixation of the plate. Fix the plate to the bone with olive K wires to prevent displacement. Fixation of the plate. Fix a cortical screw on the oblong hole. If needed, you can set the home run screws in the extended end of the plate. If needed, you can set additional screws in the end of the plate. Fill the remaining holes if necessary. Insert the retrograde screws in a V-shape to avoid collision with the screws at the end. You can replace the cortical screw with a locking screw. Closure. Closure of the triceps. A triceps offloading suture may be applied optionally if needed. Check range of motion if needed.